Hello and welcome to Le Homemade. Today we are going to make these mint stuffed green chilies, which can be served as a side dish or as an appetizer. So let's begin. And if you're new to my channel, then please to subscribe. Also hit the bell icon and don't forget to like and share. Here I have taken some big fat green chilies, which are also called Bhavnagari chilies. They are little less spicy as compared to the normal chilies. Make a slit in the center and cut this all the way through. While doing this, be careful with your fingers. Now we'll remove the seeds which are there in the center of the chilies with the help of a knife, and we'll make them ready for the stuffing. The chilies look perfect. After we are done, we'll move on to make the stuffing. For this, we'll take 3 spoons of oil in a preheated pan. In this, I'm going to add the chopped onions. I have given all the ingredients at the end of my video and also in the description box below. We'll be frying the onions only till they turn soft and pinkish in color. Fry them on medium flame and keep stirring all the time. As you can see here, the onion has turned soft. At this point, we'll add the spices. Here goes the garam masala, some crushed black pepper, red chili powder, and some ginger garlic paste. And now we'll be stir frying all of these together for a while. And we'll keep doing this till the ginger garlic loses its raw smell and it's kind of fried properly. At this point, we'll add the mince into this. If you want to make a vegetarian option, I have shown a potato stuffing in my samosa video earlier. You can find the link in the description box below. Now I have used chicken mince over here. You could use mutton or beef. It's totally up to you. We'll add salt and keep on stirring. Once the meat is cooked and the stuffing has turned dry, we'll switch off the gas and remove it in a bowl. Into this, we'll add the chopped coriander and give it a mix. Into this, we'll add some lime juice. And we'll be adding 2 eggs to create the binding. And then we'll give it a good mix. After we are done with this step, we'll start stuffing our chilies. We'll be filling in the mint stuffing into the chilies like so. Just make sure to press the stuffing well and fill it in each corner of the chili. If you do make such kind of stuffed chilies or bell peppers at home, do let me know what kind of stuffing you use. I would love to hear from you. As you can see, my one chili is stuffed. I'll be stuffing all the other chilies in this manner. And once all our chilies are done, we are gonna start with the sealing of the stuffing. For this, I have taken some breadcrumbs and a paste of corn flour and maida. I have finished sealing one of the chilies and this is how it should look. I will be showing you how to do it. We will simply pour the corn flour paste on the stuffing of the chili and seal it all over. This step will ensure that the stuffing remains inside the chilies. Now once we are done with adding the corn flour paste, we'll move on to apply the breadcrumbs. In this same way, we'll make all the chilies ready for frying. The chilies are ready with the coating and they are absolutely ready for frying. Now let's start frying them. We'll start putting the chilies one by one into the pan. Just make sure to put the stuffed side down in the beginning. These chilies have to be shallow fried. Please do not deep fry these chilies or else they'll turn too much oily. Now after adding all our chilies, let's wait for say about 3 to 4 minutes and then we'll turn the chilies. Once they turn golden brown like this, we'll turn them. And once they are cooked on the other side as well, we'll remove them out in a plate. And here our stuffed chilies are ready to be served. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you do, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Let's meet again next time. Until then, bye bye.